All right, here's clue number 2. So we know this transformer has 2 secondary windings. One secondary winding goes under the radio. It puts out 12 volts. It's powering up all the tubes. Now, the second winding here I have on the meter. It's also showing 12 volts AC. And what's interesting is if I turn off the filaments, let's see how it pops up a little bit here in value. A little bit. So that transformer is pretty beefy. When I turn the filaments off, the other winding doesn't get affected much, which is good. So now what they're doing here is this transformer, they're feeding it in on this side. And this is probably a 12 volt transformer, 12 volts to 220 or something. So this transformer probably took 220 volts in here in Europe or somewhere, and it would put out 12 volts. So what they're doing is they're reverse feeding it. They're putting 12 volts into this side of it, and they're getting out buku voltage from this side, probably, you know, whatever. And they're rectifying it. So there's only 2 terminals here, and that would kind of have like a full wave rectifier, I would think, but they don't have that. They only, well, we'll figure this out. So the next thing to do is see if we hook this thing up to the secondary of this transformer, which is putting out 12 volts AC. We hook that up to the secondary of this one, and we measure the primary. So we know it was hooked up here because there's the telltale red wire. So let's do that now and see what happens. Gotta turn it back off by pulling the plug, because there's no off switch really that turns off the transformer. All right, next video we'll check out the voltage.